Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the crafting grid in Minecraft. This fundamental tool allows you to combine various items to create new ones, from basic tools to complex structures. You'll learn how to access it, understand its different sizes, and begin your journey of creation. Mastering the crafting grid is key to progressing and thriving in your Minecraft world, opening up countless possibilities for building and adventure. Your inventory provides a convenient 2x2 crafting grid, perfect for making essential items on the go. For instance, you can easily turn 2 wood logs into 4 wood planks, or combine 2 planks to create 4 sticks. This smaller grid is ideal for quick, simple recipes that don't require many ingredients or a specific pattern. It's a handy feature for crafting basic necessities wherever you are in your game. To unlock more advanced creations, you'll need a crafting table, which offers a larger 3x3 grid. This expanded space is crucial for crafting complex items like pickaxes, swords, and armor. To make a crafting table, simply place 4 wood planks in any 2x2 square within your inventory crafting grid. Once placed, right-click it to access its full 9-slot potential. Every item in Minecraft has a unique crafting recipe, requiring specific items arranged in a particular pattern within the grid. Don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes, discovering new recipes is part of the fun. If you're ever stuck, many online communities and wikis provide comprehensive lists of all crafting recipes. With practice, you'll soon be crafting anything you need to survive and thrive in your blocky world.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.